Chronic Law and Popcaan, the two man them will tell Scatterbell. Suck your mother. Okay. The two darkest of darkest. Hold on. Let me bring my screen back to normal. Come back over here, boy. Behave yourself. There you go. Let me go now. Bigger screen to watch. Yes. Now the two darkest of darkest, man. Chronic Law and Popcaan. The two man them will tell Scatterbell. Suck your mother. Joe, behave yourself. The two man them come together and sing a very conjure song. After a couple days of being the darkest. So let us review the song. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Too much time. Human being and him teach me see I'm blind. Fake friends sell me out.
True story. Me can relate.
Too much time. Good life is so far for the body I know. Yeah. Can't even tell who I'm in brother know. Yeah. Me I kick it with myself look a bit. Me I kick it with myself look a bit. Watch it and
Yo, you know what funny? I just start about this a while ago for my TikTok, you know, say something you just have to, no, for my YouTube, say something you just have to just relax by yourself and let go some people, brother, because some people don't mean you're not good.
hang around. No need nobody, member say they kill it but alone, yeah. Me I kick it with myself like a bit. Yes. Me I kick it with myself. That like cannot feel me. Clip fully loaded. Tougher than the rock, them a stone edge. The street give me knowledge. Yes. Me been put my heart in a storage. You.
Yo, I sang this. I me just know Chronic Law gonna come with something very, very, very. When I say very, me mean very. One long very. My name will come with one sad blood clot verse.
I been a bigger fight. I mean, what's the real people still alive? Can't humble me, no, me no swallow pride. Unruly our side. Good have his up for the body, I know. Yeah, can't even tell who I'm in brother now. So, me I kick it with myself, look a bit. Me
I love the unity between Popcaan and Chronic Law still. That is good. I hope to keep it.
I kick it with myself, look a bit. Watch the energy hang around. Now watch the bag of man, total them I get around. Me I kick it with myself, look a bit.
And again, remember, like, comment, subscribe. So far, I think the song is a very good song. And I think the video could have been a little bit better in terms of comparing the lyrics, the song with the song, comparing the song to the video. You understand? I always tell people, match your song with your video so it can relate. But otherwise, great song.
I kick it with myself.
Kick it with myself. Try back love my wood and wicked to myself. Full
Blood clot. Kick it with myself. Try back love me with that wicked to myself. Don't fuck with Chronic. You hear me say? What me say? Come back again. Go back. Go back. What me say? Me tell us that this man gonna come with something Chronic Law, I want different breed.
it with myself. Try back love my wood and wicked to myself. Fully paranoid, build up a spliffy goodly hell.
Me tell us that this man gonna come with a sad blood clot verse, you know. Sad verse.
This sun hot but the heart you wouldn't melt. Never. I grow tougher than the buckle on my belt. Them know the future bright in the dark, you know see friend. Puppy them naga like because the boss don't love pretend. No time.
Boom, boom, boom. Pull up Chronic Law blood clot part. Oh, I'm Tono. Come again, Chronic Law. Chronic Law, my artist. Come again.
Me I kick it with myself.
Kick it with myself. Try back love my wood and wicked to myself. Fully paranoid, build up a spliffy goodly hell. This sun hot but the heart you wouldn't melt. Never. I grow tougher than the
Chronic
buckle on my
blood
belt.
clot law.
Future bright in the dark, you know see friend. Puppy
Oh, I'm Tono. Don't play with darkness and sadness. Come again.
I'm not gonna like because the boss no love pretend. No time. Them want war and me not forgo for strength. Smarty kick a bucket when no carry no cement. Dog them on no G member judge and no slave. Me hardly go my place do me.
Chronic Law. You are the next dancehall king in the future. Take it from me. Remember say, Dino tell you that today. What time? Oh shit, me now have no watch. What time? It is now 9:49. It is January the, I don't know, 2025.
Naive them fight and get defeat. Me yard clean but I be a broom. They my feet feel a breeze. I know my brother they are for real. I get fight in a real life and in a dream. Me get evil you fuck when me say what do I came. We get the key for a bad villa close to a beach. And God know good office suffer for the body know.
Chronic Law is a fucking, yo, me want to say demon, cause that is not in my and that I'm supposed to say. That's the thing that me not enter in my life. But Chronic Law is the most decorated artist of this generation right now, of this new generation of artists.
About the barrel if you crab ya know, yeah. Kick it with myself, look at me. Me a kick it with myself, look at me. Watch the energy hang around. No need nobody, member say the kill it but alone, yeah. Me a kick it with myself, look at me. Yes. Yeah, drop top. Yeah, wonder. You know now. A tile. Wait.
I must say, Chronic Law and Popcaan, this is a great song. Great. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. And I'm not even going to take a mark off it because of the video. Because it's a simple video, have a message, and I just two man by themselves I sing. Which it somewhat matches the song, but it could have been better. You understand what I mean? It could have been better. But however, 10 out of 10. But now I got 8 them song. Them song bad. Bad song. Wicked song. Wicked song. Wicked song. 10 out of 10. Can't say nothing bad. Sorry. What's that 10 out of 10? Popcaan, Chronic Law, big up on the damn self. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.